Okay, what's up everyone? In this video, I want to show you how to make a full screen on your computer by PowerPoint slide. Before you can preview to full screen, you must to go to the design tab and select the setup page, okay? And select slide size 4. Select this one is on screen, so 16 by 9. Select this one, okay, and click OK. Okay, and preview again. So click on this slideshow. Okay, now the slideshow is full screen. Okay, let's enjoy it. Don't forget, go to this design tab and go to the setup page and select this one. Okay, bye now.